Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salsabilla Aliefya from class International Program Study Digital Business 2023, Faculty of Economic and Business, with student ID 23081494257. Today, I'll present the findings of my research with title Technopreneurship Strategy Based on Digital Platforms, a case study of culinary MSME digital transformation in the Gojek Ecosystem in Surabaya. This research reflects how technology and business strategy intersect within a real digital platform used by many Indonesian entrepreneurship, especially in Surabaya. First, I will explain about my research background. MSMEs equal to key drivers of Indonesia's economy. Digital transformation is crucial, especially after COVID-19. Gojek services like GoFood, GoPay, GoBiz empower MSMEs. And the focus of my research is in how Surabaya's culinary MSMEs adopt this platform strategically. MSMEs are critical to Indonesia's economy, accounting for the majority of employment and economic output. However, many still struggle with scaling their business due to limited digital adoption. The COVID-19 pandemic made digital transformation a necessity rather than an option. Gojek, as a widely used digital platform, emerged as a powerful ecosystem supporting MSMEs, especially in the culinary sector, through GoFood, GoPay, and GoBiz. This research aims to explore how culinary MSMEs in Surabaya leverage this platform not only to survive, but to grow. Next, I will explain about my research gap. Limited studies on platform-based technopreneurship in MSMEs, and the challenge faced is our dependence on platforms, low digital literacy, lack of long-term strategic location, lack of long-term strategic adoption. Previous studies have discussed digital adoption and technopreneurship separately. However, this study focused on the intersection, specifically how digital platform ecosystem influence entrepreneurial strategy. There's a lack of research focusing on sustainable digital strategies within specific ecosystem like Gojek. Additionally, issues such as digital literacy, platform dependency, and strategic misalignment remain underexplored. Okay, next is my research objective. This study was designed with three core objectives. For the general objective is to analyze the implementation of platform-based technopreneurship strategy by culinary MSMEs through the Gojek ecosystem in Surabaya. For the first specific objectives is to identify key success factors, challenges, and mitigation strategies in the digital transformation process of these MSMEs. For the second specific objective is to develop a conceptual models of digital platform-based technopreneurship that can be replicated by other MSMEs in similar ecosystem. Next, I will explain about my framework. The first step is to make the problem statement. And my problem statement is that there's a low strategic digitalization among culinary MSMEs, platform dependency without clear technopreneurship strategies. Next is to make the literature review with technopreneurship in MSMEs and then explaining about platform-based digital transformation, the role of Gojek Ecosystem, especially in GoBiz, GoFood, and GoPay. And then I explain about the relevant previous studies. Next, I choose the population and sample. For the population itself is culinary MSMEs using GoBiz or GoPay or Gojek in Surabaya. For the sample itself, I did 100 MSMEs that selected through purposive sampling, and the data collection and analysis using quantitative method with structured questionnaires distributed to 100 MSMEs that has been using GoPay, GoBiz, or GoFood for at least 6 months. Then I make the strategy model design, that development of a digital platform-based technopreneurship strategy model and based on empirical data and findings. Next one is the model validation, using model testing through user feedback and limited field testing. And the last one is the conclusion, strategic recommendation for culinary MSMEs and implication for Gojek and local policymaker. Next one, I will explain about the research methodology details. The method itself, I use descriptive quantitative, and for the sampling, I purposefully use culinary MSMEs using GoBiz or GoPay or GoFood that at least 6 months. For the variable itself, will including platform usage, business performance, strategic response. I use purposive samplings targeting culinary MSMEs in Surabaya who have used GoBiz, GoPay, or GoFood for at least 6 months. The survey was distributed online using Google Forms, ensuring convenience and reach. The question included Likert scale and multiple choice items covering areas such as digital adoption, perceived benefits, strategic decisions, and operational challenges. Data was analyzed using SPSS and Excel. While this is a primarily quantitative study, I incorporated elements of qualitative validation to enhance credibility. Quantitative methods were suitable for capturing general trends from a large number of MSMEs, while qualitative inputs from experts help refine the survey instruments. A mixed method approach is useful in studies involving both behavioral patterns and strategic decision making. Next is my data validation techniques from expert review, pilot tests from 10 samples, and using Chromebudge all pass for reliability. The research flow itself will be having design survey, distribute online, collect and clean data, then analyze results, and the last one is the model. Data validity was ensured through two steps. The first one is to expert review of the questionnaire. The second one, a pilot test with 10 MSMEs. And the last one is statistical reliability using Chromebudge Alpha, where a threshold of 0.70 was used. The resource flow included designing the survey, data collection, cleaning, analysis, and, and finally constructing a conceptual model. The structural process increased the reliability and interpretability of the result. To conclude, this research provides practical insight for MSMEs looking to leverage digital platforms like Gojek. It also contributes academically by framing a new model for technopreneurship strategy in platform ecosystem. Next is all the reference that I have used, like article and journal for my research. I hope this research encourage both business innovation and digital empowerment. For all your attention, thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.